Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, today I got the Flash Flying Ball. This is MY988. The reason why I'm showing this is I thought it was kind of cool. My parents actually got this for me for Christmas and as a gag gift. And being homebound right now, with my leg and stuff, this is actually pretty fun around the house. My little girl chases it around, but you can just stand there in place and this thing will just has a sensor on the bottom here that's infrared, and it senses your hand every time you go underneath, and it goes and propels back up. And as soon as you get your hand away from there, it comes back down. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys this. I thought it was pretty cool. It'd be fun for kids. You can get one on Amazon. Comes with a charger, and also you got a little keychain, little infrared. So when you press this, you can start the motor. If you press it again, it'll make it shut down and come down to land. So let's take a look at this guy here. All right, so this is it right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hat cam on, and then I'm going to go and turn it on, which there's a little button right here. Here's where the charge port. Here's the infrared light. This is just, you got to press it in with your nail right here. So that turns it on. So, okay, we'll go and show you this in just a minute here. Alright guys, let's try this thing out here. Okay, turned it on. It's this button right here. Just press it with the fingernail, and hopefully this thing will work. There we go. Alright, it should come back down. Just put your hand underneath there. It's kind of cheesy. It's a little gag gift, but kids just press that, it comes back down and it'll land. So that way, if it does get stuck up there, you just press this little button right here. So I'm going to press it to get it started here. Alright. And just press this little thing, and there it goes again. It's just a cool little kid's gift. It's like a stocking stuffer. And my parents just thought it'd be kind of funny, since I like flying drones. They thought they would get something different. Get away from the TV here. And I could just keep kind of going. And if I'm done, just press this little button, and there we go. Sometimes it just goes haywire and wants to stick on the ceiling. I gotta press this button to get it back down again. There it goes. It's not too bad. It's a little flash ball. You can find it on Amazon. Like I said, this was just a gift that I never did get to open up, that my parents got me, and I thought it was pretty funny. I know my kids like it. They have one too. So anyways, alright guys, hey, just thought I'd share that while I'm kind of down and out and stuck in the house. So I'll catch you guys later. So cheers and happy flying.